Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya Kalapintip Bakalong Kloi Iakren Seng Hnlc. Iakren Meghalaya Kubor RiKhasi Tereng Mentau Benai Conrad Kisang Ma Menteri Rangba Jylla Ulong Mamenta La Laisnem Sorkar Kalaile Ban Paktin Banyo Iakren Seng Hnlc Hendai Kaliang Seng Pat Kabu Iki Kindon Ki Bamla Ban Priang Sorkar Pedeng.
There's been instances where our young boys and girls sometimes do go into this line, and we from the government side have always believed that in order to ensure that this does not take place, it's important for us to engage the youth in a proper manner. We need to give the opportunities to the youth so that they don't go in the wrong direction. And that is the reason why this government has been focusing largely on entrepreneurship, creating of jobs through entrepreneurship. We have focused on the youth policy, and we realize that a large youth and large workforce is there in Meghalaya, and we need to continuously ensure that programs come in. So therefore, yes, it's an issue that I have always mentioned this. In fact, on my speech in 26th January also, as well as on 21st of January, I mentioned that ensuring that proper opportunities are given to the youth is going to be one of the challenges in the coming decades for us. And therefore, we are aware about it, and we'll do our best to ensure we address those issues.
Sir, banned militant outfit recruiting minors. How serious is the issue in the West?
Yes, obviously it's a matter of concern, and that's why we are now, ensuring that all possible steps are taken to ensure that this is not, these kind of things don't happen in the future. And as I said, the current few individuals who are involved, we will take necessary action to ensure that all of them who are involved in this kind of activity are caught. And as I said, the police is doing very aggressive work, and they've moved very fast on this. I cannot share all the details with you right now, as the investigations are on and the activities of the police are on. But as I said, we are watching, and we are the police is working overtime on this, and we will find the people who are responsible for this.
So is the government still keen on pursuing this peace talks with the HNLC in view of this frequent IED?
It's not in view of this, just this. In fact, for the last 3 years, we have been communicating with them. There have been communications, and we have seen that, in the initial stages, there were conditions that were there.